Well, hello, everybody. Nice rainy Tuesday morning. Rain stop us? Oh, heck no. Did have a little bit of a problem this morning, though. That I gotta work out. Had to pump the brakes up a little bit and got a little bit of a dragging going on. Not a whole lot. Just a little bit from repetitive pumping while I wasn't running. Had a rear brake on my brake light wasn't working this morning. So I had to take a fix it. It only takes a few minutes to loosen that up. But yeah, it's a freaking. I got a cluster of plugs going to the rear assembly on the KLR, and they are screaming and need to be changed, and they're coming. Like, come on, give me some freaking time here. I can only go as fast as the shipping goes, you know. But yeah, it's like, come on. Got my rain suit on. You can't see that. Boy, it's nice to have a rain suit nowadays. Remember the days I didn't have one. That was not too long ago. But it's just one of those rainy mornings. And I'll tell you what, I think it's slowed down. I don't think it's stopped since we had the eclipse. It's gotta be something with the moon. I tell you, it does too. You have to know it, but it does. But because I started recording the moon, and I had a pretty decent shot, a little teeny bit light cloud, not too bad. Then it turned into you couldn't see the moon at all. It was about a third, a little over a third of the way covered, and and I looked at the way the clouds were moving, and there was no break in the clouds. Absolutely none, as far as I could see. And like, well, this is shot, and that was true, because I would peek out every now and then, and it's like, let's take a look at it, and you couldn't see the moon. You couldn't see the moon. Had to turn right before I got to it. It just had to turn, I tell you. Go ahead and get the light changed quicker. Got a car behind me, luckily. So, it's not like I'm gonna worry about the freaking oils on the road too much. I mean, it's been raining for what, 2 days? Almost 2 days? Make sure that guy was going to stop. Made me a little nervous there, just a little. I mean, it made me pucker because he didn't look like he was slowing down quite right enough. I thought he was going to take a Hollywood, they call it around here. Like, I don't want to be part of that. Not today, sorry. Tubby ho. What a beautiful day, and I know what Jose, the man's going to mention. And yet again, he goes to the bar. Jose doesn't let me down too often on that one. No, I don't go to the bar. I go past the bar. In fact, I turn at the bar. There's enough bars around here, though. It's unreal. Got a big old bar. Lots of bars. Well, I'm almost there. This is MuzzleMike. Hoping you all have a great day. Signing out, guys. You know what? Have a great week. Great month. Yeah, great month.